Last week, Chinese tech company DeepSeek shocked the world by releasing its open source R1 model. It wasn't just another AI innovation, it was a groundbreaking shift. R1 outperformed OpenAI's $200 GPT-4 plan, Anthropic's Claude, and Google's Gemini on major benchmarks. Its conversational abilities impress users, passing countless vibe tests. While it avoids questions about April 15, 1989, its performance, even in math, has left competitors scrambling. What sets R1 apart isn't just its capabilities, it's the cost and accessibility. Unlike the billions big tech spends to develop A1, R1 was created as a side project by a hedge fund focused on long-term social value. The total cost? Less than $10 million. Since its release, R1 has gone viral, becoming the most downloaded app in the US and challenging the belief that only massive budgets and infrastructure can produce cutting-edge AI. This disruption has rattled the tech industry. Nvidia, the leader in AI hardware, has seen its stock tumble. Nvidia's dominance comes from CUDA optimized GPUs, essential for training massive AI models. But now R1, a 680 billion parameter model, can run on affordable consumer hardware like Apple's M2 Ultra chips. This upends the narrative that advanced AI requires extensive, costly resources, threatening Nvidia's position as the backbone of AI. The moment has been compared to the Sputnik moment of 1957 when the Soviet Union satellite launch shocked the US. Today's race isn't about space, it's about AI supremacy. DeepSeek's advancements have forced big tech to respond. OpenAI introduced a free version of ChatGPT 4 and a new tool called Operator, which integrates AI with web browsers to perform online tasks like filling forms and clicking buttons. While groundbreaking, Operator is limited to premium users and has received mixed reviews. DeepSeek isn't stopping with R1. They also unveiled HunYuan 3D, a tool that generates 3D models and textures, revolutionizing workflows for creators who struggled with software like Blender. This innovation underscores DeepSeek's ability to democratize technology, challenging Silicon Valley's dominance in the AI space. Prominent figures like Mark Andreessen has praised DeepSeek's work as profound gifts to the world. This gift has shaken big tech, erasing nearly $1 trillion in market value in days. Nvidia was the hardest hit, followed by other chip makers like Broadcom and Taiwan Semiconductor. For years, big tech promoted the idea that AI was expensive, centralized, and inaccessible. R1 changes that. By providing advanced AI can run on consumer-grade hardware and remain open source, it challenges the entire business model of the AI industry. The era of AI monopolies may be coming to an end. What do you think about this shift in AI? Leave a comment, subscribe for updates, and let's discuss where this revolution is headed. Thank you for dropping by.